Rome's community-based outpatient clinic is working to get veterans who haven't received a COVID vaccination a chance to get one. News Channel 2's Kirk Tupai tells us how these clinics work.
Is this your first COVID shot?
In an effort to ensure all veterans have the opportunity to receive a COVID-19 vaccination, the Rome VA is hosting clinics specifically for veterans. So far, the Rome Clinic has vaccinated almost 1,400 veterans. They're expecting to vaccinate another 320 by the end of the weekend. The Centers for Disease Control and the Veterans Health Agency developed risk stratification criteria aimed at helping veterans. Lieutenant Colonel Robert McLean explained the top protocol.
When this pandemic first emerged, they set up some criteria for those that should be vaccinated first. And as you might imagine, elderly folks were pretty much at the high end of that list because they, as a group, tend to be more vulnerable.
While many of the veterans receiving vaccinations might be considered elderly, the reason they're getting one comes in true veteran mentality, putting others' needs before their own.
So I don't give it to my wife. I personally wasn't going to get it, but she's a stage 1 diabetic. So if I get it, I want to give it to her.
I guess I feel I'm not going to give it to anybody. That's what I worry about. My kids, my grandkids, especially my wife.
If a veteran has received a shot from an outside agency, you're asked to call and update your medical records with your primary care provider. Enrolled veterans can get a shot at the VA clinics in Rome, Syracuse, Binghamton, and Watertown. The VA is also working on a vaccination call center and hopes to have it operational as early as next week. Veterans aren't limited to getting their vaccinations here. So long as they meet the criteria, they can get a shot at any vaccination clinic. Just remember, you do need to make an appointment. In Rome, I'm Kirk Tupai reporting for News Channel 2.